Having this little washing machine set up sure is handy. And it's a beautiful day. Hey. I have some good news, guys. Some great news. Today is December 13th, 2019. My AC has been sitting here for several months. The big box right there. I found somebody to install my AC. So I'm going to clear out all this junk so that the job can get done today. Awesome! I'm so stoked. Here is the top part, the inside part that is, which will replace this part here. That one looks good only because I painted it. I don't need it anymore. And down here is the AC. I cleared all my junk off of it. Going to go ahead and open it. I'm not setting up a tripod because it'll just get in the way. Okay, all the straps are cut. Let's get a blade. I bought this several months ago. Never even opened it. We just put it in the RV and called it a day. That's some thick tape they use on that. I'm kind of surprised. Okay. Wow. I'm just going to slice it and hope it opens. Oops. Such a crooked slicer here. There we go. I really don't want to cut anything. It might be of any importance inside of the box. So you gotta be careful with these things. And then you gotta take them off the box. Oh, really? Wow. At least it's sealed right. Don't fall. There we go. Awesome. I've never opened this. Oh my goodness. We put a new AC on the motorhome about 4 years ago. It's a shroud. Okay, I'm gonna finish working in here. Take that shroud out of the box so that it's easier for Tim. Get my prep work done. I'm going to take the inside cover off. Which all it means is just that I'm going to unscrew those screws right there and take it off. Okay, I took the cover off, which was only 4 screws on those posts right here. A screw per post. There's only 4 posts. Now I am going to remove the bolts, which releases the upper AC section. And I'm just doing all this prep work to make it easier for Tim when he comes in to install the new one. I've already got my ratchet. Oops. I've already got my ratchet thing hooked up with a 1/2 inch bit. Let's hope I don't have to lube them. Everything else I've done I've had to lube because it's an old RV. And I don't even know which direction I have this. Ugh. Okay, I can't do this one-handed, but you know how it goes. No other easy way to do this. Oh my goodness, my hand's getting tired. Whew. Ouch. Oh, it's coming. Okay, that's 2 bolts out. 2 more to go. And I had to lube them. They're stuck. Okay, those bolts seem to be stuck pretty solid. I'll let a man do his work. I'm not as strong, and I'll be the first to admit it. So I'll go ahead and take the shroud off of the AC over here, and that'll conclude my prep work of this job. I don't have to do this, I'm just doing it to help out. Also inside the box is the installation, operation, and maintenance instructions, and an application for a 3 years part contract for $89.95. Does not include labor, excludes shrouds, filters, and complete air conditioners. Application must be made within 90 days of purchase of date of the AC or the recreational vehicle if the AC is original equipment. Well, for 90 bucks, I could buy parts. You know, it's very rare that you really have to buy a part for these ACs anyhow. It looks like the shroud stays on after all. So I will leave it on there, and I've done all I can do, so I'll just wait for Tim to show up so we can get this done. Get this big old thing off my floor. And no, I don't really recommend buying these things and letting them sit for months and months, but I got it on sale. And I didn't realize it was going to take this long to find somebody to install it. I'm avoiding the RV mobile people because they are so expensive. And this is something that anybody that can pick this up and get it on the roof and has a little bit of electrical knowledge can do. Yes, that can avoid any warranty. But at this point, who cares? New AC is going in. Oh my gosh, I am so relieved and so thrilled. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh. How awesome is this? And yeah, I paid like $20 extra for this shroud because I wanted the center controls also. Very well worth it, especially when I'm in the kitchen and I'm working. This is right above the station where I will have the microwave and toaster oven. So that is going to be really awesome. Of course, there's the front vent, controls, and then the rear vent. Oh, I'm so thrilled. There's some fingerprints to clean off, so big deal, right? Big deal. Oh, this is going to be so awesome. And somebody asked me if I was going to take the AC out of the rear, and I said, not yet. For one, I have nowhere to store it. For another, when it reaches 100 degrees, I might need it for a backup. So I'll just leave it in here till next summer and see what happens, see if I do need it or not. Or if the power gets funky, I might need it. You know, because it's less draw, so we'll see. But oh, see how beautiful. Boy, that thing's loud.